The silent hair loss battle with minoxidil. A cycle of meticulous hand washing, careful application, and patient testing. It's time to break this cycle. Introducing Rootique Duo. Transform your daily struggle into a 15-second routine. It parts your hair with gentle precision, transforms hair tonic into fine micromolecules for even distribution. With 65 kPa power, it boosts efficacy and maximizes absorption seamlessly, and offers an enjoyable massage experience like no other. The Duo Red Light stimulates follicles and enhances blood circulation for optimal results. Say no to overuse. With no mess, you can dive straight into pet time. Desire to use with your choice of hair tonics? We've got you covered. Get all of this done within the coffee pouring time. Rootique, your best kept secret to effective hair loss treatment.